Hey everybody, this is Mr. Grabo. I'm just going to lead you through getting started on the next assignment, which is called the Albedo Lab. In your climate change folder in Schoology, in your assignments, you should have a assignment called Albedo Lab. And in my assignments folder, I also have the Albedo resources, which you're going to need to access as well. So in this Albedo Lab, we're going to open that up. And here in the directions, it tells us to make a copy and send it to Notability. So I'm going to go ahead and do that with you. Okay, so here's the assignment. I'm going to send a copy to Notability. All right, here we go. All right, so I'm going to open up my Notability. And here's the assignment. All right, so the first part is to read this short intro about albedo, and what I'd like you to do is highlight the definition of albedo and also highlight examples of both high and low albedo surfaces. Okay, so do that as you read. And the next part, starting right here, this is where you're going to use the video. Okay, so there's a video of Ms. Chumley going through the assignment, which will be very, very helpful. You'll be filling in the introduction as far as what is albedo, high and low albedo, and you'll be doing the hypothesis, looking at the procedure, and then filling in the data table. It's a real simple calculation that you'll be doing, and she will lead you through how to do that. And then what I'd like you to get done today is the first 3 questions in the analysis of the data. Okay, so this is where you're going to be stopping, and then you'll continue the next day with the next part on number 4 through 19. Okay, so let me just show you where the resources are in Schoology. So depending on where your teacher puts this albedo resources, mine is in the assignments folder. Your teacher might have it in the notes folder possibly, but it should look like this, called albedo resources. And there's a couple things in here. The directions, that is the video that you're going to listen to, which will help you fill out the notes. The albedo data map. This is the map you're going to use to fill in the data table. And then there's 3 short videos that will be addressed later in the assignment. Okay, so here's the video. And one thing you could do, you can do this however you want, but one way might be to open this up in Safari and then do a split screen so you can watch the notes.
Our next climate change fact.
You can watch the notes and write them down at the same time. So my Notability, if I drag it, whoops, come on. Okay, now I got a split screen, and I can go back, and when I get to it, I can watch the video while I take in my notes. Okay, so it's just one option to make things a little bit easier if you don't want to do the back and forth with the apps. Okay, if you have any questions, please let your teacher know through a Schoology message would probably be the best way. But good luck. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.